Okay. So just sanded a bunch of it down, did a light sand on all the paint and on the fenders too. Clean it all off and start taping it up. Throw a new coat of paint on it. Be a million times better than my now white hood. It was originally blue, believe it or not. Yeah. I'll throw some more clips of me getting it taped off and ready to go. Alright, got a good portion of the stuff taped off. Like door handles, I'm too lazy to take them off, so yeah. This is kind of the nice thing about this thing being the Wagoneer. I don't have to paint the whole thing. Just gotta paint uppers and the top. So yeah, now I just gotta get that one door handle, the windows. And I'm gonna tape off the racks and stuff too. Getting there. Also got that on. This is gonna be what I'm using. Going in the color code, it's the Dupli color BSP 204 deep blue. And this is what I did my long arm kit. Million years with. So it should look something like that when it's done. Fingers crossed. But yeah. That's where I'm at on it. Getting closer. Got that. Just gotta do a couple windows. Finish that one. Done the rear. Windows over there. Grill. This thing's gonna be ready to shoot tomorrow. I'm excited. I'm not an expert by any means, but what I did for prep was just I used some 220, which is just the finest I had sitting around to clear off the like peeling clear coat areas a little bit. And then I just gave everything just a little rough scratch just to hope that the paint will stick to it a little better. Then I sprayed it with some water and alcohol and got all the dust off. It's gonna be ready to spray. Okay, got this all taped off. Above, windows, top rack. It's time to start spraying some paint. This is the old weathered down stuff. The last little look at it before it gets new paint. I'm so excited. Wanted to do this for years. We'll see. I'm not a professional, so it'll be what it'll be. But the goal is like from like, I don't know, 20, 30 yards. It'll look amazing. That's the goal. But we'll see how it turns out. Okay, got the first coat on. Looks pretty sweet. Ran out of paint, so I had to go get some more. That sprayer was not adjusted right. There's a couple spots where it just shot out some blobs. But like I said, I'm not looking for professional. I just want color to not look 30 years old. Yep, there's first coat. Okay, I got most of the tape off. sprayer absolutely sucked. Took a couple little runs here and there. Better than the 30-year-old paint. Not too bad. Once it cures, I'll pull it out and do a little clip of what it looks like in the sunlight, not in the dark garage. It's real shiny. Yeah, it's supposedly, it is the same color I painted my long arm kit a handful of years ago. Now, since I did such an amazing job taping off, I have to do some fixing some of the overspray. Worst one is my winch. But yeah, I'm not a professional painter. Not even gonna act like I am. Yeah, at least it's all the same color. I'd say that's a win.